he call it, a baby?
He ate everything.
Holy cow!
He ate the trailer, he ate all of it.
Wow.
He was hungry. He wanted it.
That he did. I thought I lost it for a second.
Swam at you. I don't know if he's very big, but he's a fish.
He's powerful, that's for sure.
River. Ooh, nice one. I'll get the net.
Why, thank you. Feisty bass.
Uh-oh.
Smallie.
I think I got a fish on my rod now. The line's getting off the target.
May I have the hookouts? Nice Smallie. The hookouts, please. On the dash.
And you know, I'm fishing too.
Yeah, but I'm catching.
Whatever.
Look at how.
She has to act different because
Look
the
at your
camera's on.
crab. Oh, look at this.
Look at what?
It's some kind of weird bug.
Is that a lamprey? Or is that a freshwater shrimp?
I don't know.
That was a good ice fishing bait there for perch.
Oh my God, he ate the entire popper.
Yeah.
He wasn't getting off.
Yeah, it's digging out that. Oh, I see what he's digging out. Oh, I gotta tie something up.
Sure, copy mom.
No, I'm not. He's actually putting a spook on, so he's not copying you. And now I'm left with nothing but a frog. Or a rivet.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, but that's copying. Oh! Getting right off. See it?
Yeah. That jerk bait would be a good one to pull right now.
Oh,
I didn't even, I set the hook and it's gone. I saw the swirl on it and I went, whoop, and it was gone. 10-pound touch, it's nothing. It's got 20 pounds, I'll see what happens.
oh goodness, it's coming right out. Nice. Nice Smallie. Did you want to measure him? He's probably 16. Look at how beat up he is. Goodbye.
River fish.
Say hello, fish.
That front side right up here, Joanna, was
There you go,
stacked
Dad.
full of them.
There's a rod.
Yeah?
Yes.
I'm getting a bite right where I am.
Hell of a lot faster than you trying to get this rod out. What's going on? Oh, I'm stuck all the way on. Put this line. It actually might. Nope, that's wrong.
Might have cleaned me already too.
Oh, sweet. I was able to get 2 rods out without having to dig them all out. Oh, I still ended up digging a rod out. That's right. I gotta put that one back.
I just okay.
You choose your weapon. You got 2 of them.
Ray, the rod. Here's my weapon. This is my weapon right here.
The one that I unhooked already.
Yeah.
There's a chunk of nightcrawler right here for him.
Why is your phone up here?
Whose?
Yours.
Here, give it to me. I'll put it in my pocket since it bothers you.
Well, no, like your pocket. What is that? Dash?
No, I have pockets.
Her waistband.
The nightcrawler, Ray.
Wow. I was deluded into silence. It didn't like the boat coming by. So it was going to make a run for it. And I missed it.
Nightcrawler, Ray.
I don't have the night crawler.
There's one right there.
Oh. Here you go. Here's a whole one.
That one is the bad example one.
He's so weird. They bite both halves, Dad.
Nah. I'm gonna use my ice fishing jig. Where does that go?
There you go, Ray.
Could be a little deeper.
I just dug out a half. I'll use your half, the bad half.
You even got little perch swimming around here. Like babies.
That's probably what I'm gonna catch.
I made it a little deeper. I'm getting a bit faster.
Bobber. How fast do you think it's gonna go under? Mike should be almost instantaneous. Oh, that was a fish. Shit.
Come on.
Drag too loose?
I guess.
Oh. It's getting nibbled. I think he stole my worm. No, it didn't actually. They're nice fish.
These are good perch.
They don't steal your
I
worm.
wouldn't have told us to get a perch rod out if they weren't good fish.
Okay.
And they're hitting a 3.5 inch tube
Yeah.
fish
And they're almost able
and
to catch them.
swimming off with them.
No, they're not taking cover. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was microscopic. Oh, come on. I might have to upsize my jig. I'll still use the ice fishing jig, which might not be the smartest option.
Do we have any micro tubes?
No, we didn't bring them.
Oh, you got mini mites, though, full blown mini mites with the steel stick on.
That actually might work.
They seem to be on a minnow bite more than a worm bite.
What's the no?
Tie on a mini mite, Ray. Oh!
That was a big fish, Mom. I think that was a bass.
That was a perch all day.
Yeah, I must come in and steal the shot.
Really?
I'm greedy.
Did you get it?
No!
Just like the clown meme.
I lost it!
That serves you right, you little
That
imp.
was a big one! Little bastard! I'm putting a mini weight on now, because it's still my worm. Now it's not worth fishing anymore. It's too small, I can't get a hook up. I can't get him to stay on the hook, that's the second one I lost. That should have been a fish. Jig's too small for perch. Alright, where's the mini weights?
In the bass box.
Is there one laying here?
I gotta go a little deeper than that.
Where are they?
There's like a certain depth.
In the bass box.
Where are they?
Right there, in the
Where are
corner. Shut up.
Where are they? In my hand.
I just have some scales laying on the ground.
I don't have the jig head though.
What do you mean?
I had a micro jig on. A freaking ice fishing panfish clown jig. It was clowning around. It wasn't big enough.
Oh my God, that was dumb.
Really trying
What did you just do?
through it into the wood.
We're not going in there for it.
You got it out.
That's skill, baby.
Come on. All the way under and I didn't get it.
You're just that aggressive?
I've done the same thing.
Might be 2 feet. There's a nice one.
Ooh. Nice one there. 10 inches?
My other one was bigger.
9?
Bigger than 9 inches.
My other one was bigger.
Right, because the 10's like monstrous. They're like 10.
That's a pretty monstrous perch right there.
They're pretty nice, Ray.
I couldn't catch over 7. I'm getting swam with. Where's that current?
It's probably current and you're drifting.
I
And
am.
then let it go under all the way because it seems like they take a minute to eat it.
Using the mini mic on.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, it's right here.
What the heck?
I dropped it over the side of the boat and ate it.
Ray's got a nice one on the mini mite. That's a nice one, Ray.
Mine's bigger than yours.
I'm gonna grab mine and throw it in the lines with yours.
Ray's is bigger.
I think I got big fish today so far.
I had mine was a little bigger than that.
No, he ate it. He had it chomped.
Okay, I'm holding the live well open. I got a fish.
Reel him.
I can't. I'm holding the live well open. I think I lost it now.
You didn't have to hold it. You said it was going back. There's more fish to catch. Oh yeah, Mom's 50-50. They're not even boat shy. They were only in a foot of water. Should have let them, he might drift over them, and I just took it. Ooh. That's a nice one.
That is a nice one.
Perfect eater.
They're in the weeds. Here's one. Why don't you take and stick a rod handle
Is that handle
underneath it?
No,
And that handle underneath it.
I can use my sunglasses. Oh, my glasses are in there.
Perfect.
How's that?
It's big and good enough that you can at least walk or have someone else that can do it without having to have another person hold it. It's on recirc.
I put it on recirc.
Yeah, you don't want it on recirc, you want it on auto.
Why? I'm filling it now.
Not supposed to be.
Okay, I'll put it on auto.
Auto fills it.
Am I recording?
I have no idea. Did I not tie it around the bottom?
Will you look?
I can't look right now.
Don't get cranky.
They're right next to the boat joint. Right next to the boat.
Can I have a fire?
See my jig getting eaten?
Are the hemostats?
Those are like 1-inch perch,
Are the
Dad.
hemostats? Up
Where
the
are
dash? The dash?
That was like a 1-inch perch. I could see it.
Yeah, but I caught a good one there too.
Well, I believe that, but I have the polarized glasses on. It was like this big.
Sure. I just could see my jig darting.
Come on.
Oh,
Clear casting float.
there's my soda.
There's one small.
Oh. Whew.
You guys are fishing all that. I'll try this side.
I was gonna cast upriver.
I just figure if you perch with that knife right here, you may as well fish.
Yeah, keep a bunch. Eat them. Ray, is that where you should leave those hemostats?
Yes. Why did you get it fast?
You suck.
No, you expected me.
It's always my fault.
Why are you acting different on camera?
Oh, that was a nice one. Dad's cheers farting.
Okay, that's enough pumping the live well. You don't need to sit any deeper than we need to sit.
What? You don't want to sink any further?
Instant. That's a big fish. Is it?
I don't know.
Oh, pretty good.
Maybe
Smaller
you
one.
might just put it right down.
Mine was that too earlier, but now you stopped.
I want you to hear deep.
Yeah, I'm set this deep. I don't know deep I got it. I gotta take any weight though. I put the non-takeable off weights.
That was a smaller one.
Oh, that extra weight.
What?
All that extra weight we got stuck on bottom.
Oh, really? Thank you for that. You know, maybe it was a tube that went after, or a tube. Maybe it was a perch that went after your zero spook.
There's a big difference.
I saw that fish.
Okay.
Where are you?
That was a good one.
I'll move, Ray, because you're right here.
Yeah, I'm in the middle of the boat.
I know, I'm moving. I said I'd move.
I had to turn the
It's fine.
thing on bottom.
Right there's right fish. Right did see? Right did well before. Let's sit down.
I know this perch fish. Stop it, you're gonna scare away my fish. Fundo.
Yeah.
Just bend down now and get
Oh,
it.
I got one. Holy crap.
He's messing around, slapping his rod in the water, and he caught one.
No, I caught the fish before I caught my bobber. You big enough?
That was really funny. Oh, I'm getting. This one is so little it can't get the mini mite hook in its mouth.
That's not very fun.
I think I'm too shallow. That's a nice one.
Where's the rubber box from? Here it is. I just need a weed out. 1 or 2 would do fine.
He's cute. All right, let's get him back in the water. Hello. Oh. He's so cute. Be free.
We will do this
Yeah, you're too little. I need another worm, Ray.
I'm busy. Now I can do it.
Thank you.
Where is it?
In the worm box.
Where's the worm box?
On top of the red bag.
Bright sunlight.
Oh, hand me the chunk of worm right on the red bag. I'll take that.
Must have fallen out of the box.
No, I set it on top of the box when I broke the other one in half earlier. Oh, helps if I am ready to release the line. Oh, that sounds like a better one with the drag. Is this on your little panfish one?
Ooh, that's a nice one.
That's a nice one. Dad's got skills, they're multiplying. The little bass.
That's why I thought it was a northern. You're so small. Okay, stop recording.
Oh, well, that's good because he's getting himself unhooked nicely for you.
We hang him over the side. Come on.
Little one. Still a fish. A feisty little fellow. Goodbye, little buddy. Whee! What are you talking about?
Got reeled in on that shoreline.
I didn't see anything. You got a tube out there, Ray?
Yes. Right on top of it.
Yep, I know. You're drifting down though. You should be. There's a little wing dam right there. And we are fishing the hole below the wing dam. Hammered it, eh?
I don't know if that was anything. It's just sitting on a dam. Running kind of fast. Oh, he's all the way back up there now. I was hoping he was gonna pop up back here. Big ass carp? Really?
Seriously?
Well, that explains what everything is. Why they're not hitting. What do you want me to do? Well, I gotta net him because there's no way we're getting it off. Holy shit. You aren't kidding. That's a big carp.
Holy cow.
I don't think he's bigger than mine. He's close. Look at the mouth on that thing.
That's a big carp. Holy cow.
Got it fit in the net. Everything seems to fit in this net. They pop off already? No. Still think the one I caught full was bigger, but we'll find out. We're gonna bump him. I have no idea.
That is, holy cow, fat.
Round, not very long.
Where's the ruler?
That's good right here.
You got it? I'm spinning in a circle looking for it. Whee! Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Oh!
I dropped him.
That hurt. You want him in the bottom of the boat or on the deck?
Bottom of the boat. I can't put him on the side. Have fun, Ned. Not as big as my other one, I don't think, but I want to know how long.
That was actually a pretty fast.
Fast for how big he is.
Okay, that's kills.
It's not even 30. 29 and a quarter.
That is fat.
Can you imagine how big my big one was?
That is just ginormously,
I had a 35,
ridiculously
35 and a half?
Something,
fat.
Ugh.
Wow.
You wanna put him over the side of the boat?
You can, I'm not touching him.
I'm gonna touch him again.
Just pick him up. Don't put him back in the net.
I didn't wash the net yet. Ugh. Can you hear the slime?
Look at him. Blup, blup, blup. Oh. I pulled my night crawler out of the water when you caught that. I'm like, I don't need to catch one of those.
Okay, that would explain all the fish they're sitting here. They're probably carp.
Ah. Dad's got a fish. Staying down pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's just one really big walleye.
Could be a northern.
Yeah, that's not running.
Dude, if it's a 10-pound walleye, wouldn't you?
Wouldn't that be incredibly nice?
I don't know.
Could be a catfish.
It's really swinging its head too much.
49
Could be
Look at the
anything.
bubbles coming up. Could be a catfish.
Could be a catfish.
Oh shit, there's some carp. I'm guessing carp. Oh shit, pink cat. That's a channel? Oh, it's a flat. Holy shit, that's a big channel cat. Ooh, saw the bubbles in my one. That's probably a catfish.
That's got to be a catfish.
Look at the belly on.
He's a fatty. Move out of the way so I can see him.
29.
Look at him.
He's got a belly though.
Right in the middle. Get your butt out of the way. Look at that. Look at how fat his belly is. I don't know. Do you want to... Would you like to have Dad hold it up for a photo?
Dad, you want your channel cat?
Look at how big the sides of that thing is. And his whiskers.
I bet he weighs more than mine.
He's still swimming towards me. Just keep swimming. Hey, that tickles. Get him out of here.
He's burping. Dad, you want a photo with him?
Dad, do you want to hold him for a photo?
He's burping and making all kinds of squeaky noises. Huh?
It tickles. Come on. No, don't kick him.
He's gonna bite down on your foot.
No, don't do that. Can you please give him to Dad? Be nice to him.
I don't want to. I hate their jaws. I don't ever grab them again. Dad can grab them if you want.
Watch out, okay? Because I want to get a picture of Dad.
Just turn around, I'll just photobomb Ray.
This is some bull crap.
Tilt him so his face is looking at me with his big whiskies. Is he making noise?
Yes.
Dad's got another one. Let him go.
Can I release him?
Yeah.
He's burping. Come on, buddy. Go back on water.
Is that a channel cat?
What was it?
Out there.
Look, togetherness. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate all your views, comments, and suggestions. We started out trying to get Smallies today and ended up with some smaller Smallies, you know, a nicer Smallie here and there, but a lot of different fish today. The perch were a nice bonus. They were about 12 and a half inches. That was nice. The catfish was fun at the end with his long whiskers, but we had a great day. Not always what you're going out for, but still fun nonetheless. Thanks for watching.